Loop roads are a common occurrence in many road subdivisions, but they do need a particular treatment when it comes to civil site design. So one of the benefits of civil site design is its automation tool when it comes to roads, curb returns, cul-de-sacs and knuckles. When it comes to a loop road, one of the issues is that whilst a loop road will quite happily detect an intersection at the start and the end, it can't really handle the idea of intersecting with itself. So whilst it's indicating here that there is an intersection that's been detected, when we go through the process of creating our curb returns, we won't actually get curb returns formed at the self-intersecting loop point. The way to deal with this is to actually split this up into two parts. So you would normally pick a divide point, let's say change 300, and you would split this up into two alignments. If we open up the design of our loop road currently, we can see our loop road design. This part here is really where we're looking to do a split. So if we zoom in around 300, we're in a vertical curve. It's probably smarter to split it around 290. Okay, so you do need to manually sort out your elevations matching on through, but your first step now is to split up your alignment. So depending on what software you use, there'll be a variety of techniques for this. I'm going to take an approach here for Civil 3D. However, in the AutoCAD and BricsCAD version, things will be slightly different. So what I will be doing in Civil 3D is creating alignment from the existing alignment from 290 onwards, and then what I'll be doing is trimming the alignment back using the geometry editor. In AutoCAD and BricsCAD, you would use the trim alignment command and then separately create the extended alignment. Notice at this point the software is asking us if we'd like to update our road because we've shortened the alignment. Let's take that opportunity. So the software will then resample the road, and it's resampling the road on the basis that we now have a shortened alignment length. What I will do now is make the adjoining loop road. So if I just turn on my objects again, so what you would do is you would make a road out of your loop road here, the second part. Okay, so making the second half here, you would manually sort out the way you want to connect. So this elevation here and the grade, what you really want to do is open up your other road, your incoming loop road, and reconcile the two. Okay, so you would have a look in here at what's happening at 290 in terms of the grade and the elevation, and you would go and match those two across. Okay, thankfully they do match pretty closely, but I could quickly fix that with this tool here. So I could say 465.455, which matches what's incoming, and then the grade here I would set that to be 6.787, so then we also have a match. Okay, now in the event that you have over designed the original road, there is a nice tool to be aware of. If you go into your original road here, which is down the bottom, and we hop into Compute VC, there's a command here called Export VC. Now what that will do is it will export the vertical design data out to a file. You can then go into your other road and you can go back into Compute VC and import that file. So we're importing the file that we exported from the other road. Then what that will do is to go and burn the profile from this original road into the loop road, so I know that there's a match. Having done that split, Auto Model quite happily connects those two together and bridges them into one model, and having done that split, we now have two separate roads upon which intersections will fall.